welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be my Instagram followers choose my makeup look. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I got my followers to choose is whether I was going to do a bright makeup look or a natural makeup look, and they have chosen natural. And then I got into asking them what products, what eyeshadow and everything like that. So before they picked my lipstick, I gave them two options of a bright one, so two bright lipsticks, and then I gave them an option of two natural lipsticks. One was like more pinky, but like a natural pink, and then one was more brown. But these are the results from the bright lipstick they've chosen and the natural lipstick. I put them two together and then I got them to vote again, and these are the results. So they have picked this lipstick, so we're going to put that on. It looks like this. So now that we've got the natural lipstick on and all that, on to the eyeshadow. Now I gave them the option of this or this one. Now I was actually surprised by the reaction on this, because I actually thought they would choose this one, but I think because I use it that often, that is probably why. Or you probably just like this one more, guys. Comment down below why you didn't pick that one and pick the other one. But these are the results, and yes, they did pick this one. And to be fair, this is Revolution. This palette I think I got from a calendar, so I haven't really used it much. As you can see, there's only like a smudge there, but I really don't know what eye makeup I want to do. I want to try and do one with that eye. So we're gonna do my makeup now. So I'm using these two brushes. I think you all know these brushes by now, but I'm using them one. And we're gonna go into the first one being this colour. The colour that I said I wanted to use as that bit, but we need to do the outside first. So we will need to go in with a brown first. And I'm going to go with, I feel like I'm going to go with this one here. So let's do it. Now that is the eyes, like that. Now on to the purpley shade, and that's what it looks like. You can't really see it, but you will see it on my eyes. This is probably my first ever look I've done without doing shimmer. I'm going to try and not do shimmer. Okay, so even though I did not vote for this because I've only got one primer, but I'm needing to put some primer on. So I've got my primer. It's actually just Too Faced primer. I'm going to put some on my hand. It's just to whiten that, so even though it's not white, so I can apply white and then I can apply that colour. So let's get to it. I'm using this brush. Now I actually like that, but obviously it's just a primer, so we're not going to do it like that. But now I'm going to apply the white eyeshadow, what's right there. We're going to use this brush. I only put a tiny bit on. So this is what it looks like. It still looks the same. But now to apply the purple shade, I'm using this side. it's not really applying properly for some weird reason. Okay, that has finally applied. It's so cute. Even though you have to do many layers of this eyeshadow, the purple one, it is quite nice. So on to the next one. Now that is the eyeshadow. Now of course we can't have some eyeshadow without some mascara. So I put up a poll for the two mascaras I have. It's the Too Faced one and the Maybelline, I think it is. And this is what they voted. So they voted on this mascara right here, and I'm actually so glad because I love this mascara and I really want to get a bigger version of it, but I've still got a bit left. So when I run out, I want to get a bigger version because the eyelashes are popping with this. So let's do this. Now that is the eyeshadow and the mascara done. As you can see what I was on about, it just makes it pop. And I'm actually quite pleased with this makeup look. So that is the end of the makeup look. I know it may not seem like I've done much, but because I'm sitting in most days, I only do eyeshadow and lipstick, if that. And I don't really do foundation much anymore. And yeah, so let's get into the outro. Did you like it? Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, because I love interacting with you guys. And if you're not already, hit subscribe because I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. Mostly beauty and fashion. So if that's your thing, and then a bit of my life. And yeah, bye. Don't forget to subscribe.